Hi, this is Ashu Dutt, as always bringing you the secrets of investing, trading, technical charts, futures and options, commodities. Well, today I'm going to talk about something which is very close to your heart, and this is Ashu Dutt's 30 days to becoming a technical chartist. Now, I can say this impromptu, but I actually wrote a couple of lines for you, and I want to read them out because I think that would emphasize why charts are so important. So, traders need technical charts just like fish needs water. However, most of you are told or learn about technical charts is not going to help you to make money. That's a fact. You see, someone will give me all the tools and tell me how to use it, and I may become a carpenter. But will I be a master carpenter? And that's exactly what the issue with the charts are. To be a master, you will need to learn lessons from the master. Well, give me about 30 days and I will tell you exactly how charts work. Now, what is the issue with technical charts? There's actually no mumbo jumbo about it. Some of the stuff you're told, head, shoulders, cups, handles, this band, that wave, this wave, it's actually junk. You really don't have to concern yourself with it. Charts are pretty simple. They're just taking the collective psychology of human beings and reflecting them in a graphical pattern. That's all it is. So if you can get a decent idea as to how people are thinking about the market collectively, you'll be the master of the charts and master of your trading. How do you know that? Well, really, there are three things that indicate what people are doing. First is the price. If the price is moving, obviously somebody's putting up the money. But that's not enough. It could be manipulated. Then the volumes. If there's enough volume, it shows you that maybe there is interest beyond 1, 2 or 3 people. Very important. And third is liquidity. How much money really is being put into the stock, one way or the other? Those three finally give you the main indicators of whether the stock is moving. There are other things like support, resistance, what have you, which are critical. And in 30 days to becoming a technical chartist, I'll talk about, I'll just walk you through some of the topics we'll cover. For example, I don't understand the jargon. Well, you really don't need to. We'll discuss that. Why should I even look at a chart? We'll discuss that. What about supports? What about resistances? What about stop loss? What about accumulation, distribution, day trades, swing trades, position trades, the various kinds of trades out there. Picking stocks to trade. I mean, we kind of disregard that. You can't trade all the time. You have to pick stocks for trading. Dropping stocks, critical. Taking losses often, letting the profits keep going. Well, in all, there are about 30 of these, including things like self-control, which we'll discuss in 30 days to becoming a technical chartist. So what's the topic I should take today? Well, let me take a topic like distribution. We've talked about accumulation. Now, as I've said, in the life of a stock, any stock that goes up usually does that once in 3 years, once in 4 years, 5 years, but it usually goes back where it started from. So distribution is a critical aspect. What happens with most of us is, in good times we buy a lot of stocks and then we continue to hold them in the hope something will come back. Well, if a stock has gotten into distribution, you can be sure it's not coming back. Actually, it may continue to drop till the time it comes down to 80–90% of your purchase price if you bought at a high. How do we pick those stocks? Well, we will go through some of the details into what is happening on distribution, but it's very clear. If you start having about a 10% loss on your stock, you want to get out. And so, this is not like when we were in school. We want to win everything, 10 out of 10. I'll tell you what, lose 9 of the battles, win the 1 war, which means when the gains are there, keep them. When the losses are there, take the 10% losses. So even if you have 10 losses and 90 of them and you lose 90, but in the profits you make actually 200, you still came out a winner, 110. Distribution is critical, and getting out on distributions is even more critical. That's just one of the topics. As I said, there are 30 topics. All I need from you is 1 hour a day, and in 30 days you'll be a master trader, or at least a master technical chartist. You can take the online video course for the entire 30 days at www.ashudutt.com, or you can take an online course with an online test, again, at www.ashudutt.com.